So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate different things, and then we're going to have lunch, and then we'll come back and everyone can do their own castings.
The workshop today, for me, it was really nice having the introduction session. It shows you how many possibilities and the possibility of and the potential of concrete and how much you can do with it. For myself as a visual artist, I'm always looking to dabble in new materials, and I think PPC really does that very well, and especially this workshop itself. It was a nice reminder for me to show you the creativity and the playfulness of the material.
Remember, I told you the two most important things. The first one is your water to cement ratio. If you put too much water in, you're going to get a very, very weak concrete. So what the plasticizer does is it allows you to put less water in, but it makes your concrete more pourable. About the accelerator is that this sets your cement faster, not the water obviously, or the river sand. I'm going to do a little demonstration with the fibers. Remember what I said to you, this increases your MPA, some people say by like 30%. Remember I was telling you about how every bag has got a number on it, 32. Because I'm doing a small decor item, I'm going to do 1 part cement to 2 parts sand.
Well, I think it was a great opportunity to have a bit of a crossover between education and then also getting your hands a bit dirty. And it's also a nice day out of the office for us. I came with my colleague and we got to do something that's slightly different to our everyday behind screens life.
If you do get dry sand and you've got pharmaceutical scales, I normally put around 1 kilogram of cement to about 750 mils of water. Should we pigment it just for fun? What color, guys? Come on, team. Hey? Yellow, red.
Because I'm a jewellery designer and a setter, so I've learned different techniques as for how to incorporate cement with jewellery.
You're gonna just put a cap and let's see what that does. When I do a mix, even without plasticizer, I push it up the side of the bucket. I just do that. So you can see it's on the side of the bucket, but the interesting thing is, if I do this, it settles.
So when I came here, actually, I didn't think that there'd be much for me to learn, but only to find out there's actually a lot going on, what's it called, about concrete and stuff like that. So I see this as a very decorative art in types of art, so I really see myself doing something like this for my mom, because she's a woman who loves gardening and decorations and stuff like this.
So who wants the rest of this?
It was an absolutely fantastic workshop. I can't wait to do the moulding in a second and to see what amazing stuff I'm going to be able to do in the future. So thanks very much, PPC.